everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something really exciting. I'm trying out the new Mecca Max Banana Bake loose powder. So what I did is I actually bought the banana beauty haul. So in this for $50, all you get is the loose banana bake powder. You get a double-ended brush to do it with, and you also get the banana mist setting spray. So I thought I'd give this a go on camera just to see how it works. I haven't tried the pressed banana powder myself, so I thought why not just give this all a go on camera and see if it works. And I'm really excited. I got this in the mail yesterday and I haven't opened yet, obviously because I wanted to leave it for the video. So I'm really excited to get into it and open everything and see how it works. So if you'd like to see how it works, how many times did I say works? Then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do obviously is to conceal under my eyes. So I'm just going to grab my concealer. Any concealer will do, and I'm just going to conceal my under eyes. So I'm just blending all of this in to highlight my under eyes, and so the product has something to stick to, because you can't bake without a bit of concealer. Put some down the bridge of my nose, I always do that. I freshly concealed my under eyes. As you can probably tell, it's a bit bright. So now I'm going to open the Mecca Max Banana Beauty Haul and show you what's inside. Let's open it up. I love when like things come in this cute little packaging that you rip open. I don't know, it's just so satisfying. So first up we have the Banana Bake loose powder, if you can see it in there. Then we have the double-ended brush. So I'll just open this. This is called the Bake and Set brush. So it has this dome shape on this side and this more flat top shape on the other side. Really handy that it's double-ended, which means when you're traveling it's good to pack, because it means you kind of get the two brushes in one. And then finally you get the Banana Bake blurring setting spray. So first I'm going to obviously bake my under eyes with the Banana Bake. I'm so excited to use this. I've heard some amazing things already. Let's see if I can open it first. Oh god. So first off, I'm just gonna make sure that there's no creases. Blend out that concealer a little bit more. Obviously it says the first step is to conceal. So the next step is the powder. So use the defined end of the Bake and Set brush. Dip into Banana Bake Skin Filter Loose Powder and liberally apply to the areas you have concealed, leaving an obvious layer of powder on top. I'm going to take the loose powder and I'm just going to tap some into the lid. Okay, so I've got a whole heap in the lid, I'd show you, but it literally just went halfway down my sleeve when I tried to do that just before. So I'm not going to do it again. You know, learn from your mistakes. Next, I'm going to take the flat end of the Bake and Set brush and I'm going to just tap it in there and grab a whole heap of product. Now I'm going to tap this on my under eyes and leave a very visible mask of powder. Okay, so I'm packing a whole lot on. I'm packing as much as I can on my under eyes. So I look a little bit ridiculous, but that's what we're going for. Okay, so now that I've applied all of that powder, I'm gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes and let it just soak into the skin and make my under eyes look flawless. So now it's been a few minutes, I'm gonna take the other side of the Bake and Set brush. So this is the dome side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sweep off the bake and see how it looks. Ooh. That's nice. So I've dusted off the bake and I actually really like how it looks underneath the eyes. It's very airbrushed and it looks really seamless, which is always a big plus, especially when it comes to baking, because that's what you're doing it for. I'm really loving the brush as well. So handy for travel because you have both sides, and obviously you can use it for other things as well. So it's like just having one of those amazing brushes in your makeup bag that you can use for a lot of things. So now I'm just gonna do my contour, my highlight, and my blush, and then I'm gonna come back and we can try the Banana Bake setting spray. And oh my god, it smells like bananas. I smelled it in store and I was like, yes, Lord. So I'm back, and now that I have all of my makeup on, I'm going to set it with the Banana Bake Blurring Setting Spray. This always happens in videos to me. Whew. So now that I've done everything, I thought I would share my thoughts on everything. So with the powder, I did like it. It's very thin, it's very light, which is nice to have under the eyes because it's horrible when there are cakey powders and it just looks horrible, especially underneath the eyes. I liked that it wasn't super yellow. So with banana powders, I find that sometimes the banana powder is too yellow and sometimes it can just look a little bit ridiculous on me. So I'm really glad that it's not too yellow and it kind of sinks into the skin really nicely. When it comes to the brush, I loved it. It worked really well in stamping the product onto the skin and also wiping it off really easily. So I absolutely loved that. So definitely consider getting the brush too if you are looking into buying the loose powder. With the banana setting spray, obviously that's something you kind of need to suss out as the day goes by. But I loved the scent of it. It smelled really good and it was quite refreshing. But I guess I'm gonna have to use that a little bit further to recognize whether or not it worked and whether or not I like it. But so far, so good. The Banana Beauty haul is only about $50. So I think it's really good value for money because I think the brush itself is like $32, which is quite, you know, expensive. So I recommend definitely picking up the beauty haul because you kind of have everything you need in the one spot. You don't need to buy the individual products, which will just rake up to be a bit more expensive. So definitely recommend this. Definitely give it a try if you're looking for a nice under eye setting powder and if you love a little bit of baking. So those are my thoughts on the Banana Bake by Mecca Max. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos. I upload every week and I would love to have you. Thanks so much and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!